Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Element Messenger on your iPhone step by step. Element Messenger is a secure, open-source messaging app built on the Matrix protocol, allowing you to send messages, make voice and video calls, and stay connected across all your devices. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Tap the Search tab at the bottom of the screen, type Element Messenger, and look for the official app published by Element. Next, tap the app from the search results to open its App Store page. Tap the Get button, then confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if prompted. Wait for the app to download and install on your iPhone. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Element Messenger. If you already have a Matrix account, tap Sign In and enter your account credentials. If you're a new user, tap Create Account, choose your preferred Matrix server, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete registration. After signing in, take a few moments to set up your profile by adding a display name and profile picture if you'd like. You can then begin adding contacts, joining rooms, sending secure messages, and making voice or video calls. Finally, enable notifications so you'll receive alerts for new messages and calls, and keep the app updated through the App Store to enjoy the latest features and security improvements. And that's it. You now know how to install Element Messenger on your iPhone and start using secure messaging with the Matrix network. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next